25, taking one more, putting a stop. This should be quite the home run, but just gonna join the momentum. I wanted to wait for a bounce. It's just crossing everything. And I think we're starting the liquidation. They're below the VWAP. We'll see. They're acting like they want to prop it, but we'll see. We are down 100 points from the top. It was a 200-point run up. That is 50%. Could just be catching that and continue to liquidate. Bitcoin's coming down lower. We need pounds here to flip red. We need Nvidia to keep propping down. Adobe to keep propping down. MicroStrategy to flip red. Robinhood, GameStop, both red. Alibaba coming down slightly. I don't know if they're going to liquidate it. We do have quite a gap on this NQ 30-minute chart from 24,542 to 24,446. Will it get it today? Will it get in post-market, pre-market? I'm unsure. Might be too early for the short, maybe 11:30. Might be too early. ES is acting like it wants to go, but it's about to get over that main seller side. About to go over the VWAP, NQ 30-minute, testing it now. 21 EMA on the NQ 5-minute chart. If that happens, this is likely going to that pre-market high that it almost tested. Volatility is coming down for VIX is propping up as it's coming down, which is a good sign. Means the volatility is towards the down. But I'm not liking how this is shaping up. Hopefully it's just manipulation and they prop it down pretty hard.
Order filled.
Out of 2. We'll see. They might want to do one more leg up. Pretty bullish right now. Let's see against it. Worst case, this account will be gone. I'll open a new one at the pre-market high. What sign of weakness? Should have just cut it for a $500 loss. Instead, we're a little high risk. Once it got over that 20 EMA on the NQ 5-minute chart, should have been out. Bad entry. Yeah, it's gone. Go no. There are still cards here. Nvidia's propping down, but Bitcoin's too strong. ES starting to pump. NQ is going to pump. Alibaba is coming down a bit. Let's see. Very nice. A little more. Very nice wick down. Bitcoin coming down pretty hard. If we can lose this VWAP, we should be all right. Could be a liquidity sweep down, selling it up, but I don't think that's the case right now. But I got a bad entry, and so far I've been wrong. We'll see. GameStop, Robinhood back down. We might be golden. Rejecting the 20 EMA on the NQ 5-minute chart. ES needs to prop down below the VWAP. We'll see. That is a lower high, by the way. VIX is coming up as it is coming down. ES getting a little bounce on the VWAP. Has a lot of hurdles to get through. Bitcoin's coming down. Crypto's coming down a bit. We need pounds here to continue propping. Come on. Could have been a liquidity sweep down. Send it up. Hopefully not. Going to bet that it's not. But I know the risk. If it wants to. Try and hold on to the 20, man. Could wick us out of the water, though, so to speak. If you guys are new, smash that like button, follow, subscribe to the channel. We're live every day at 9:30 a.m. EST, trading the market. Bitcoin coming lower. And it has the cards. Will it play it? Will it play the cards? Come on. Swipe it, swipe it, swipe it, swipe it. ES is still above the VWAP. Palantir about to flip red. Very nice. Very nice. Up 25. Taking one. I'm gonna try and ride some. This could be a home run. I'm not gonna bet on it, but Palantir did flip red. Nvidia coming down. Only thing, Alibaba is coming up. I don't like that. I don't like how AVGO is not propping yet to the downside. The VIX is on our side, the volatility index, so that's good. Robinhood, GameStop propped down. Bitcoin coming lower, that's good. ES is now below the VWAP, 200 SMA. We're below the 20 MA on the NQ5 minute, so I do like the cards. See, I just don't know if it has that liquidation quite yet. Man, Alibaba. Alibaba's too strong. Too strong. Taking one more, putting a stop on the last one. Right at this high. If it gets back over there, I don't want it. Locking in like 1100. This should be quite the home run, but these bear rallies are pretty severe, and they could easily wick this up 150 points within the span of a couple minutes. Beautiful. They should at least swipe this low, 24,728. We do have this gap. Yesterday closed, Friday's close at 24,397. We also have this gap on the NQ30 minute chart from 24,450 to around 24,545. But may go there. Actually, I'm gonna trail it down. This could be a serious liquidation event. I'll just trail it. Trying to get as much as possible. If it even liquidates. It's really having a hard time. Bitcoin coming lower. Palantir flipped red. Adobe flipped red. Robinhood now down 0.9%. Alibaba starting to take down. That's good. Nvidia taking down, still up 2.15%. This just shows you guys, even with a bad entry, if you hold conviction, you have to be willing to accept the risk, but even with a bad entry, you can get out. A lot of manipulation on the NASDAQ. A little easier trading other stocks, and even the ES is a little easier, a little less risk. Little more liquidation. Little more liquidation. Them likes up, boys. Get them likes up. Likes are looking weak. Smash that like button, follow the channel, and subscribe. We are on the road to 10,000. 10,000. ES is starting to liquidate. We're in a good position. We got that pivot point to the downside, 24,757. Very key pivot point. Very key. That could be the actual bounce. I want full liquidation through it if feasible. We also have the bottom 15-minute orb right here. So could get a prop off that as well. Yeah. This might come to bite me. I just don't see them liquidating quite as severe as I think. So I'm going to start trailing a little more tightly, still giving it room, but probably taking it after they potentially swipe this low, bounce on the 15-minute orb. It really could and is likely to go to this gap. I just really don't think they'll give it up easy, and it's going to be a lot of manipulation. I just don't see it. I see it on the 1930 minute. I mean, I see it. I just don't see it. That makes any sense. I don't think they're going to give it easy. They're about to tap that pivot point, 24,757. Very key, very crucial. Currently up 2,600 in the account. About to hit that pivot point. Come on, go straight through it, go straight through it, go straight through it. That's also support of that consolidation range. Come on. Tapping it now, could get a bounce. Once we're through that pivot point, if we do, this is the bottom 15-minute orb. It may go down, wick through this, and then reclaim. NQ 30-minute, very bearish wicks. 4 hour turning bearish. 2 hour coming down. 1 hour going below that main solid RSI. They're trying to bounce it though. Bitcoin's too strong to the downside. Nvidia lost that 2%. Everything's coming down. Very nice. Very nice, sir. Come on, get through that pivot point. Tapping it now, tapping it now. Get through. Wicking through. Come on. Reject it. Tying up the stop. Pretty obvious stop. Securing what, 70 points, but that's the average. We're up 3,000 in the account right now. Pretty good. Execution was bad entry, a little too early, but stayed patient, added when I thought was the appropriate time, and it was. Oh, we got out of it. Very nice. We can through the pivot point. Good, get a prop here. Down, we can down. On liquidate, sir. Liquidate, sir. Man, so we're hitting $52 an ounce. Oh my gosh. Gold at 100. Gold at 4,120. Short squeezing. Very nice. I mean, bad entry. I literally entered one con short here and then waited till the reversal, added to there. So even with a bad entry, if you're patient, you can get out of it. It's a little higher risk, especially in volatile markets like these. You have the China versus world trade war, US President Trump responding 100% tariff, all coming into effect November 1st, potentially a little backpedal from Trump on Truth Social around 20 hours ago. He said things with Xi Jinping are fine, etc. But also earlier today, US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent fear-monger the market a little bit. So in markets like these, bear rallies are severe, so it could have very easily liquidated this account and went to 24,945, but instead it created a lower high, sent it down. Trump is speaking in Egypt, I believe. Trump said to have a working lunch with Ukraine Zelensky on Friday. Trump said Iran would come along. Would love to take off Iran sanctions if they talk. I think Iran will be fine. We really have no news on the docket today. Only news on the docket at 12:55 p.m. Fed Paulson speaking. 3:10 p.m. BOE Man speaking. But we will be long gone out of the market before that. We're propping up from that pivot point. I'm not willing to give this anymore. I really don't see the liquidation like I hoped. So I'm not going to give it any more room. Nah, I like that stop. Could be a little higher. It's not bad. It's pretty obvious, so likely to get stopped out, but I don't mind it. We'll remove this. I'm kind of looking for a liquidation, so they really shouldn't pump up that far to that stop. If they do, I really don't want it anyway. Even though the potentiality for 24,450 is there, so it is worth notching up the stop a little bit. ES is below the volume weighted average price, the VWAP 200-day simple moving average, 200 SMA, below the 100-day MA as well. Same for the NASDAQ 30-minute. Also below the 21 exponential moving average on NQ5. About to be stopped out, 30 points away. Yeah, may want to tap that VWAP. Come on, break that pivot point. Very key pivot point. Come on. Break it, break it. It's a liquidity sweeping, which isn't the best always. Bitcoin's coming out hard though. Okay, liquidation. Palantir now down 1%. Adobe down 0.25%. Boom, boom, boom. GameStop down 0.75%. Robinhood down 1.3%. Costco down 0.3%. Alibaba coming up though. We need Alibaba to drop. Alibaba being this strong is not good. I mean, as long as Nvidia keeps propping, it should be fine. Propping down, which it is. Trying to. Man, it really is struggling to get below this pivot point. It is struggling, chat. Let's see what the options are doing. Oh, we have puts coming in at this level. That might send us through. Ooh, maybe. Maybe. Might have a winner here. I'm liking it. I'm liking what the 4 hours is doing. I'm liking what the 3 hours is doing. 2 hour has some run rate. I just don't think as far as I want it. Yeah, I like the puts coming in. I like it. Puts are coming in. See if more come in, can outweigh it. They are trying to balance it, but puts are coming in to offset it. They're trying to get through that pivot point. Bears and bulls are fighting right here. Bears and bulls are fighting. Let's see who wins. We're about to be wicked out. U.S. Envoy Witkoff will be here quite a bit at the direction of the president. NVIDIA, Meta, and Oracle to use Spectrum X Ethernet switches. Trump Phase 2 talks on Gaza have now started. About to be stopped out. Could we be saved by the gods? Let's see. Let's see. That's a pretty obvious stop, so it's likely going to be 100. ES is bouncing. Pretty good day. Not bad. About to be stopped out, 1 point away.
Order filled.
And ooh, I added to it. I'm out. Still out with 2100. Didn't mean to do that. Rookie mistake. No one pointed out. I don't appreciate that, chat. I don't appreciate that. Come on, man. Supposed to point these things out. That's a rookie mistake, chat. Instead of being out, I added. Ay. Still cut it. We were gonna be out with 2100 anyway. Luckily it didn't. If that wicked up, we'd been in world of hurt. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Persevere through resistance. Do not fear the unknown. Do not fear missing out. And there are no missed opportunities. Only the next one. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.